The Mirror Gloss range of surfaces that can be used across kitchen, furniture, door and wall designs. It's the result of one of Kronospan's biggest investments in product research and development. The Mirror Gloss product required the construction of an entirely new multi-daylight press, a tailored resin formula, and the development of a new process of timings, pressure, heat and cooling to create a remarkable, unrivaled mirror finish on particle board and MDF. As well as our investment in research and development, we were able to use of the 20 Mirror Gloss decors that are fully coordinated with high-pressure laminate ABS edgings. The decors are tirelessly researched and developed, with commercial sense, to help designers add an entirely new dimension and reflection to an interior scheme or furniture piece. The palette includes 14 uni-colors, 4 wood finishes, and 2 abstract designs for an on-trend interior and furniture collection of surfaces. By specifying Mirror Gloss, designers can achieve bold and intense statements. Our Mirror Gloss range pushes the limits of conventional melamine surfaces to provide an incredible depth of finish. Mirror Gloss is currently being specified across many high-end home, office, and leisure projects that demand a startling luster finish. But the product is not exclusive to the luxury market.
I'm the owner of the architecture and engineer for Mirror Gloss because I'd like to open the living room to the outside with some windows, and inside is very simple. You don't think that it's not very easy to use and to produce furniture with Mirror Gloss because you see that it's gloss. Because there is a layer in the front of the panel, the boards, and also in the other side a layer to protect when you cut the boards.